This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hop. Cool. Yay. A squishy three-pointer. We can't use them anymore anyway.
You are going to the basket right now.
What else is left here? Let's see. Oh, Sammy. Sorry.
Wrong way. Gotcha, Sue. I knew someone was throwing my toys away.
You got that wrong. I would never do that.
I'm gonna get rid of your stuff. You've got way too many hairpins.
Sammy, please. I was just collecting materials for our new craft. I promise.
We'll see. The greatest slime detective is already on this case. Yes! I am going to call Susie's bluff. I wonder what is she doing back there. Ooh!
This little guy has only one horn left. Let's get rid of it.
Leave him alone, or I will start throwing away your beauty products. Whoopsie!
Sammy, I want to get rid of the horn, not the squishy.
You could have said that right away. Come here, buddy.
What do you mean?
I have a perfect idea, Susan. Check it out. Oh, it's a whole new kind.
Now let's make him a horn out of this.
Are you kidding me? You want to make a horn again? Oh,
I just want to turn him into a unicorn. And now I'll show you how to do that. Watch my hands.
I love all the unicorns in the world. Now our unicorn needs to take a special bath.
Why don't we dip you into this bowl?
Leave me alone. I don't want to lose my unique pink color. Ugh.
Lose color? But why? What's in here? Aha! It's paint! Our unicorn is not a slime, so he is not afraid of paint. Dive in. Awesome! And we are moving on.
I'll pick the perfect color in the best traditions of Tibidabo. This color doesn't fit. What should I choose? Hey, get your hands off. Grandmaster is working here.
Hey, you've got a call from the Slime Artist Society.
I'm here! I'm coming! Sick Slime Sam is here! Oh, he looks just like me.
While Sammy enjoys watching himself, I have enough time to paint. Sammy, are you going to help me?
What?
I guess someone had too much screen time.
Awesome. Oh, yeah! Oh, my Feta! How brilliant I am. I'm a genius. No, I'm the king of geniuses.
I never doubted that. But check this out. The face is almost ready. Look how cool it turns out. And I have an idea about glitter.
Oh, let me deal with it myself, please. Beware and behold. Wait a sec. I will cover everything with glitter here.
Sammy, you covered me, but not the squishy. Come on.
Hello, miss. I saw that some kind of magician did that to you, not Sam. Oopsie. Alright, I'm sorry that my glitter got onto you. But look how pretty this little fella turned out. So cool.
Cut it out.
No, my little unicorn never stops. Yay! I'm so cool. This is it. Ugh. Whew, I'm exhausted. It was one wild unicorn ride.
Oh, poor thing. Have some rest, and we'll keep crafting. We're back. It's time to give the squishy piggy a new life.
I'm not sure I'd be happy if you did that to me.
These ears won't do.
Why is that? Hey, I'm not a pig, and I don't need these.
Sammy, I was just joking. We'll need these ears for the new squishy. Let's work up the nose a bit and make everything look neat.
Look at me. I'm so scary.
I am terrified. Now you and our piggy are a perfect match.
No way. I know who will be scared by this. Roger. I'm gonna find him.
Yes, Roger will be delighted. Now we're talking.
Sue, if Roger asks, you didn't see me. I'm in disguise. Bye.
Where's that little prankster?
Do you mean Sammy? I didn't see him. I was just leaving.
Okay, whatever. Next time I'll get him for sure. Bye, Sue.
I wonder why did he get so angry? This way he looks better than ever.
No comments, Sammy. Better focus on our squishy.
Sue, I changed my disguise. Roger will never find me here.
You look like a hamster, or like our squishy.
Why, thank you, Susie. I was hiding here, actually.
Hey, Sammy.
What?
Come back and help me with our craft?
No way! I will not accept this kind of attitude. I won't leave it like that. And I won't help.
Okay, I'm sorry. Slimes can be so overdramatic from time to time.
Since Nanny here gets me, I will just leave. So long. Whoopsie!
Hello, I love big hugs.
Huh?
Sammy, come on. I know you love hugs too.
Fine, I forgive you. Oh, this squishy you've made by yourself is way too cute to stay angry.
That's better.
Let's go, I have so much to show you. Sue, don't proceed without me.
It's time for a snack. Sammy already had his lunch, but I didn't. Huh, I can't eat this.
You was pranked. Ugh.
Really? Then I'll just throw it away?
No, don't do that. I'd rather turn it into a slime. La la la.
Gross! Take it back, Sammy.
Oh. Okay, let's keep crafting. I'll join you in a minute. Almost forgot this.
You don't have a minute, just 2 seconds. 1 and 2.
In that case, I'll help you first. Here comes the base coat of white paint. I need more paint. Ugh. No, Sue, I really need to finish that candy now.
Okay.
You're doing great. I think you can finish with that squishy all by yourself. I won't bother you with my assistance.
Sammy.
What? Where? Ugh, what is this? Whoopsie! Interesting. Let me see. Hey, this is absolutely not the way it was supposed to be. Huh?
Sammy, don't be grumpy. I'll fix everything now. Does this look good?
Yes, but it should look amazing. This is everything we need to decorate our cool cake with awesome stuff. You just need to follow my instructions, Susan. Here, study this, and you will succeed.
If you say so. Okay, let's see what we have here.
Let me check it out. Now it looks as it should. Here, take it, Candy. You really earned it.
Thank you, Sammy. What is this? Is it a nut or something?
Nuts are good for your health, huh? That candy was bad anyway. I'm telling you. The worst candy ever. Trust me.
Okay, maybe we can at least throw this old squishy away.
If you could, you would throw everything away, even really important stuff.
I wonder what really important stuff are you looking for in here? Although, I might be wrong sometimes too. Hey, this might work. Do you want a new hat?
Are you kidding me?
Alright, let's just keep going. Do you want to see some magic?
Ugh.
Here we go. This is a blank slate for our new squishy. Let's make it colorful.
Wow, it looks so cute. I love it. It's just awesome. I approve.
And you just gave me a great idea.
Take this flashlight and point at the glass when I say.
What is on your mind now?
Just point the light at this glass of water, and you will see a cool trick.
Alright. Wow!
Cool, right? I learned this trick during my long travels across Tibidabo. Now you all will know this trick and get yourself a rainbow. Yes!
A rainbow on a tummy to rub it and make a wish.
I knew you'd like it. Light and water create rainbow highlights. Ugh. I don't have much energy today. I'd better rest again.
In the meantime, we will check out all of our new squishes. is all this? Is there some ghost in our house or something? Sammy?
Sue, it hit me. I found so many pieces for our future crafts.
And I think I found the first one. Come back here.
What? What are you talking about?
I wonder what can I do from a slime paint it?
Sue, that's not what I meant. Let me go. Let me go now. Wow, I've never seen the castle look so beautiful.
Oh, thank you, Your Highness. We're almost finished with a big spring cleaning.
That must have been a lot of work.
Well, we all helped out, except for Sir Kitty Cat, of course, who just happened to disappear right when we got started.
That sounds like him.
Oh, that alley cat is useless. But these dear little penguins have been most helpful.
They sure are. What can we give them to thank them?
A cuddle will make you feel better!
Well, Your Majesty, these little fellows just adore polar berries. So yesterday, I had a whole jar of them delivered all the way from the Polar Kingdom. That's the only place you can find them, you know.
Elizabeth, you're amazing! Let's give them the berries right now. They look like they can use a snack.
Oh, that makes me so mad. Billy's castle is shinier than ours, thanks to those penguins. Why can't you clean like that? Or at least go figure out a way to get those penguins to work for us.
I put the polar berries in here for safekeeping. Oh, this is where you came to hide from working.
Hey, Princess, guess what? I found a new food, even better than kibble. They were these berries with a nice frosty flavor. Too bad I didn't save you any.
You ate all of the polar berries?
Oh, is that what they were? Mwah, delicious!
You lazy, gluttonous feline.
Uh-oh, I know she's mad when she calls me a feline.
No, we were going to give those berries to the penguins to thank them for all their help.
Those berries are their favorite snack.
Oh, I didn't know. Why didn't you put a sign on them?
You've made some big mistakes around here, Cat, but this one is the biggest.
So, why don't I just go and fetch some more?
You can't! The only place you can find them is in the Polar Kingdom. It's too far away.
Well, if I hurry, maybe I could get back tonight? Let's at least try.
Kitty Cat is right. We have to let him try to fix his mistake. I'll go with you.
Yeah!
I'm telling you, I heard it with my own 2 eyes. The penguins want some polar berries.
Ah, and we want some penguins. We'll just have to do a trade. Bad Berry, where are you?
Doing my spring cleaning like everyone else who's not lazy.
Listen, we need a pot of berries.
Can I get back to my cleaning now?
No, we need you to put some kind of obedience spell on them.
Okay. Whoever eats these berries after you touch them will be in your command. Now can I go?
Oh, now you need to make them look like polar berries.
Well, what are you still doing here? Polar Kingdom, here we come.
Well, it's a long trip. When you get tired, I'll pull for a while.
Berries for sale. Come and get your berries. There's nothing quite as tasty as these polar berries. Yes, we'll take them all.
Those berries sure are tasty. Very tasty.
Well, that was lucky. Saved my hooves some serious mileage.
Hey, don't the penguins look kind of strange to you?
Excuse me, hello there. Where are you going? Stop it! Bad penguins! What's wrong with you? Stop breaking everything!
What's going on? Those berries weren't polar berries. They were obedience berries. Whoever touched the berries before the penguins ate them controls the penguins. And, guess who that was? Us!
What do you want with an army of penguins anyway?
Well, first we were going to ask them to clean our castle, but now we have a better idea. Capture Princess Billy!
Billy, get inside the castle. We'll hold them off.
Where's that chicken cat when you need him?
I hope Kitty Cat is okay out there.
Well, if he hadn't eaten the real polar berries, none of this would have happened.
Oh, the nerve of that cat! First, he gets us all into this mess, and then he runs off and leaves us. Just wait till I see him. I'll pluck out his whiskers one by one.
Instead of complaining, let's try to fix this problem. I bet Ed the Wizard would know how to break the spell on the penguins.
But how are we going to get past the penguin army to go visit him?
Don't worry, I've got a plan.
Oh, well, I guess we've been outflanked.
But not outsmarted. Your plan worked, Billy. All the penguins chased the carriage.
But it's only a matter of time before they realize I'm not in it and start to look for me. So let's hurry! So, Ed, what can we do?
It's the trickiest of tricks, this obedience spell. You have to hurry and jerk the penguins back to their senses.
How do we do that?
It's like I told that other fellow who came by earlier. You have to find that exact particular thing the penguins love so much that it will make them remember who they were before the spell.
Other fellow? Who else asked you?
I did.
Sir Kitty Cat! I was so worried.
I ran all the way to the Polar Kingdom for polar berries. The penguins love them so much. Maybe they can break the spell.
That's a great idea. Let's give it a try.
Surrender! Or we give our penguins the order to attack.
Wait a minute. I need to speak with my royal guards. Okay, listen. Here's what we're going to do.
Sometime today would be good. You think you could hurry it up a little?
We refuse to surrender.
The battle will begin when we hear your penguins' war cry.
Suit yourself. Let her rip.
Sir Kitty Cat, why are you giving the twin princesses polar berries?
Oh, those aren't polar berries. They're obedience berries. I almost ate them before, but I decided to keep them, just in case.
We will obey you.
Well, Sir Kitty Cat, you said you'd clean the whole castle and you were true to your word. I commend you.
Well, it's easy when you have help.
Must clean Billy's castle. Must clean Billy's castle.
They've worked awfully hard. It might be time to break the spell.
If we find something they love.
Got any pink lipstick?
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. Instead of freaking out, let's try to fix it.
Good idea.
Hey, the power cord!
Look at that. It just needed some juice.
Duh, we could have told you that. What level did you say you were on?
Move over. We want to watch.